Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about file handling. So let's see what is it. So Python file open. This is the first thing we are going to discuss. So file handling is an important part of any web application. Why? Because Python has several functions for creating, reading, updating and deleting. Okay. So these are the main function we have to work on by using the file handling. Okay. So these are the main functions I have mentioned here. So file handling, the key function for working with the file in Python is to open a file. So first we need to open a file, then only we'll start working on it, right? So for that we have the open of function has two parameters. First one is the file name and the second one is the mode. Okay. These are the things that are mentioned here. So there are four different kind of methods that is called mode for opening a file. Okay. So here on screen you can see that I have mentioned all the four kinds of methods that are available. First one is for the read, that is small r, that is default value, open a file for a reading, error if the file does not exist. Okay. Another one we are having the small letter a that is append and open a file for appending. Okay, these are the files that is available. Okay, the next thing we are having is w, that is a write file and open a file for writing it. Okay, and then last one we are having is for x, that is used for create, which will help you to create a specified file name. Okay, these are the file names that are available. We are also having the binary things, that is the t and b, you can see on screen. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you.